All right. All right, y'all. We got some ideas for y'all. Ideas just to let you know how detailed we can get with the grills. As you can see, this person got the ankh and on the right incisor and the eye of Horus on the left incisor over the diamond dust. Now we can do, as long as it'll fit, we can do your logo, we can do letters, we can do a Gucci symbol, we can do a Chanel symbol, we can do any type of symbol you want on your grills. Hashtag get creative. When you guys come up with some of the most creative grills and they're finished and you guys come pick them up and try them on, I want you guys to repost them on your Instagram page with the hashtag get creative and go see Fred. I'll give you up to 10 to 15% off your next order, depending on what you're getting. I'm trying to show love to my people because you guys have been showing love on the way back like you would never believe. Shout out to all my clients around the world. I appreciate you guys for rocking with us. We are humble soldiers. We are just a messenger. We are delivering your creativity on the grills. Thank you for all the people, man, all the kind words. You're number one, you're this, you're this. I don't look at it like that way. I'm just a messenger, y'all, but I do appreciate the gesture. So hope you guys having a blessed week, man. We sure are working hard up in Seattle Grillz, trying to get better than last week, better than last year, better than last month, all that good stuff. We steam this one off. This client will be here in about 30, 45 minutes. So this will be the last time you guys will be seeing this one. But I just wanted you guys to get a gander at the creativity. Get creative, y'all. Thank you, Mr. J. He had some issues before, so he came in and got molded. Now we got him right. He booked his appointment right away. We do appointments only, guys, when you guys do pickup. Some people don't try to hear that. They want to just come down when they feel like it. But we want to be able to have things like lunch. You know, we want to be able to have these ready for you. As soon as you walk in, we're not going back to go find them. We have them ready for you as soon as you walk in. They're steamed off. They're ready to try on, those good things. So thank you, everybody, that's been appreciating us and showing us love and following the way we do business. So when you're doing pickups on grills, a lot of times clients don't think they need to set up an appointment, but you absolutely do, especially for pickups on grills. So like I said, number one, we got the inside, everything cleaned off, and we got it ready for you to try on. Shout out to all the people out there in the live. Hope you guys having a blessed week. I'll see you guys on the next live. And thank you so much for tapping in, man. YouTube and Instagram live today was nuts. Absolutely bonkers. So appreciate you guys. You will catch this video on Instagram. You catch it on TikTok and on YouTube. Subscribe to all 3 channels and tell all your people. Tell a friend, tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a friend to subscribe. Seattle Grillz. All right, y'all. Peace out.